Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing. Look at this. You guys can get one at low cost. We have from Besteker. Link is going to be down below. Check them out. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Saturday, May the 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo to all. And let's go take a look at this thing. Definitely need a new camera. And this, especially for the price, you can't pass it up. Get it fast shipping for Mother's Day. There we go. We got a nice little gift. Here's all the good features on the back. 24 megapixels. Video clip. Oh boy. Besteker. Check them out, YouTubers. Link is be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Hopefully I can open this. There we go. Oh man, definitely excited. You get the microphone, flip, digital video camera, and boom, we got it. Alright, you got the charging for your batteries. Here we go. Boom, boom. Got that out of the way. Some extra batteries, also nice. And here's a battery clip. Oh, the remote. Oh, cool. Got the remote. And it comes with batteries. You gotta pull the tab, like so. Boom. Here is a cord, USB. Time to get serious now. Or HDMI cord. Oh, cool. Bonus. Power cord, USB. Here's the cam. Oh, no. Nice pouch. Traveling case. Yep. Oh, look at this. Got a strap for your hand. Awesome. Got the flip, tilt, got the side control, power. Might have to put the battery on. Yep. Boom. There we go. That's where the battery goes. The HD or memory card. I'm gonna have to get one of those. How do I take this off? Right, boom. And like so. Maybe not. Where does this go? Check this out. We got the disc. Oh, this is the mic. Cool. The battery. Here's a nice little mic. Comes with the filter. Comes with the cord. Aha. Here's where the good stuff is. USB, HD, the microphone, you plug that in there. Trying to figure out where we plug the battery. Nice, nice, nice. I think we gotta go in here. Oh, there's a little latch. Gotta get it out of the way. There we go. Oh, come on. Boom. Hopefully it's somewhat charged. Okay, at least turn it on for you guys. Whoa. Awesome. Focus, come on. Look at that. Oh, this is pretty clear. I might use this for recordings now. Menu down, up. We got mode, photo, no card, see, camera. See. Hey, this is nice. Go up. Tilt the screen any way you want it. Whoop. It's so light, this thing. This is really nice. Camera. Let's hook up the mic on the microphone. And you see. Oh. Plug it in there. We got it around here. Open this thing up. Pop this in right here. Now we... Oh. Let me shut that. There we go. Where'd that thing go? Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. Whoa. Now this is something useful. Us vloggers out there. That's a sweet. Look at that. We got it now. 24 megapixels, 1080p, 16 digital zoom. Can't beat it. Got the lights on top. And now they got the mic. Awesome. So YouTubers, check them out. Get this fast shipping. Mother's Day gift is coming. Mother's Day is what, a week away. Nice remote also. Battery stand to charge your batteries. Travel case. A lot of good stuff. You get this at a low cost. So nice size travel case. Stizzy cam. We got that. Clean up the mess a little bit. But hopefully you guys had a good weekend so far. You guys stay safe out there. And I think I'll see you guys back tomorrow. If not, have a good weekend. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And thank you guys at Besteker on Amazon Prime for sending me this. This is really awesome. And you guys can get one at low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. And see ya.